Microwave popcorn fooled everyone. It looks like a simple snack, but that bag in your pantry is a piece of high-tech engineering. It starts with the corn. Manufacturers use specific hybrids bred for the perfect pop and hull strength. Then there's the Susceptor, that silver square inside the bag. It's a metallized film designed to absorb microwave energy and get scorching hot. It acts like a mini skillet, hitting the kernels with enough heat to make them all explode at once. And that buttery flavor? It's rarely butter. It's a lab-designed blend of oils, salt, and flavor compounds. These are engineered to stay solid at room temperature so they don't leak, then melt instantly the moment the heat hits. The bag is also packed with additives to keep the oil from burning, while the corn is vibrating at a molecular level. We're sold a nostalgic, easy snack, but in reality, you're running a tiny thermodynamic laboratory. Once you see what's actually happening inside that bag, the microwave starts looking a lot different. I scanned the product and it flagged as highly processed. I used the Neutron app to get this information. Download it if you want to try it yourself.